I'm sure even in your job as a dancer, you have this experience where there's, there's the technique itself. And so the skill, right? I have to be able to move my body in this way to do this thing, right? Or I have to be able to move my poi in this way to do this thing. But then there's the skill as connected to other skills, which is a different thing. So the flows are designed to help you connect the skills one after the other in a sequence, right? But then the third level of practice is stylization of those things as you do them, right? So you can stylize an individual move, you can stylize a flow. Ultimately, you want to stylize everything, right? So that you have brought your unique essence to the performance. I think that's one of the things that's really great about poi, not being prescriptive. I feel like ballet is very prescriptive, but I feel like there's very specific ways you're supposed to hold your body in different positions. Poi is very much not that. And that's one of the things I really love about it. It allows people's individual preferences and deficits, preferences and deficits, prefaces. It allows people to accentuate their preferences and decentuate their deficits by stylizing it in a way that accommodates what works well for their body. And I think that can be a really beautiful aspect of it that individualizes. And I encourage people to lean into whatever their preferences are. And, you know, while I always encourage people to practice into their weakness, I do also encourage people to perform from their strengths, you know? So I think if you start playing with it from the mindset of those three elements of practice, the technique, the connection between the techniques, and the expression on a personal level of you within the techniques. I think if you focus on those three elements, it might change your practice. And I don't think we had this conversation previously. I'm not sure you're ready for it either, though. I mean, you have to be doing enough connecting of the moves to really be focusing on those second two things, I think.